Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today I'm unboxing both of my Ipsys, my Ipsy Glam bag and my Ipsy Glam bag Plus, because again, I suck at time management. So I've got both of them right here. We're gonna start with the little guy, and we will dive right into these because I'm on video 5 of the day, and it's a lot. Yeah, there is something in here. Okay. First of all, here is the, oh, I hate it. Oh, I hate it so much. Here's the bag. Oh, it looks like sheep, but it feels like cotton balls. Oh gosh, I hate the feeling of cotton balls so much. Ugh, I don't want to touch that ever again, but I have to, so that's exciting. Ugh, this is exciting. This is the first product I got. It was outside of the actual bag, but this is by It Cosmetics. It's the Confidence in a Cream moisturizer. This is my favorite moisturizer in the whole world, so I adore this. I have very dry skin, and this stuff just helps so much, and it smells good. This is a little baby guy, but I am out of mine right now and have not repurchased because I've been trying to use up all of the ones I have. So yeah, I'm very excited to own that again, but now I have to touch this bag and I don't want to. Is there a way for me to like, oh, I hate it. I'm being so dramatic right now, but you guys just don't even understand. It's like nails on a chalkboard to me. Like, I hate the way that feels. Okay, the products are listed in here with the full prices. The full price for the Confidence in a Cream is $49 for 60 milliliters. This is 7 milliliters. So there's that. Okay, reaching in. The inside doesn't feel that way, so that's fine. I have Strictly Curls Curl Defining Lotion Humidity Shield. Pretty sure this is what, no, I don't know. This might have been what I chose. This is by Mark Anthony. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is $7.99 for 8.3 ounces. What is this? 1.69 full ounces. It really broke the bank with that one. It smells very lemony. I'm excited for this though. I have curly hair. You can't tell right now because I'm on like day 3 of not washing my hair, but yeah, this will help that. So that's exciting. This is not exciting. This is by Benefit. This is the Roller Lash Mascara. Full size of this is $25 for 8.5 grams. This is $3 grams. It took me forever to find. Benefit Cosmetics is not cruelty free, which is why I'm not excited about this. It is a really good mascara though, I'm not gonna lie. Before I went cruelty free, this was my favorite mascara. So it is a good one. If cruelty free isn't an issue for you, then that would be exciting, but not for me. So I'm gonna have to pass that along to somebody. Okay, next we have the Beauty for Real lip balm in the shade Hannah. I have this, but I don't have this shade. This is a full size and it retails for $14. I do like the Beauty for Real lip balms. If I remember correctly, they smell kind of like Play-Doh, but they look really nice on the lips and they feel really nice, if I'm remembering right. Yeah, but here's the shade. This one's a lot darker than the one I have now, but it's still pretty light in coverage. I do like that. That's exciting. And I believe the last thing in here, yes. I'm not going to swatch this because I know I don't really care for these, but this is the Sugar Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in the shade Stephanie Plum 15. This is a deluxe sample. Full size is 2.8 grams for $20.99. This is 2.5 grams. They literally lessened it by 0.3 grams. Like, what was even the point in that? Yeah, I don't love these, so I'm not going to swatch that, but that is everything in this bag that I never want to touch again. And I just threw, so I'm going to have to pick up. Smart. But Ipsy Glam Bag Plus time. Here is the inside of this box. There's that. This bag looks different than the other one. Hopefully it doesn't feel the same. Okay, no it doesn't. Woo, yay. This one does not feel the same. This one feels like like a towel almost. I like that one. Okay. Products are not in this one. First thing is by Billion Dollar Brows. This is the 60 Seconds to Beautiful Brows. This is in the shade Taupe. This is not gonna work for me. Yeah, no, I don't think that's gonna work. Actually, it looks kind of, no, not gonna work for me. So I'm not even gonna bother to swatch that because that would be wasteful. I really think I'm in the shade Taupe. Okay, next is bubble wrapped. Oh, I picked this. Exciting. This is not gonna fit in my little thing though. This is a nail polish. I don't remember the brand name. Smith & Colt, but it's a really pretty color. This is like my favorite color. Oh, fancy. That little lid comes off. It's like dented, but I don't know if it's supposed to be that way or if mine just came that way. So let me know. But super pretty color. I can't open it right now, but I like this. I picked this. Really cute. I have a nail polish rack hanging on my wall and I think this is going to be too wide for it, so that kind of sucks, but that's okay. Next, oh, I picked this too. This is by Dominique Cosmetics. This is the Skin Gloss in the shade Golden Dew. This was the only color option they had, but I really like it. At least I liked it on the website. Here is the packaging. Whew. It says choose to shine on the mirror there, and here's what it looks like. I don't have like any cream highlighting products, and I do love Dominique Cosmetics, so I was like, all right, we'll try it. Ooh, I like that clasp on there. It feels nice. Smells kind of good. Smells kind of bad. I don't know. All right, so there's that. Next thing in here, it's by Il Makiage. I'm not going to use this just because of what it is. This is a single eyeshadow. I don't even want to open it because you have to take the packaging off, but it's really pretty. They do make really nice eyeshadows. I just don't reach for single eyeshadows, but this is the shade Jackpot. Super cute, but I won't use it. Is that it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you supposed to have 5 things? Am I missing something? I'm confused now. What did I get? I got the nail polish. I got the brow product. I got the highlight, and I got the eyeshadow. There's something in here? No. Okay, I could be completely wrong, but I'm pretty sure you're supposed to get 5 things, so I'm gonna have to look into that and see if I'm missing a product. But am I just like crazy that I opened something and I forgot about it already? I don't know. If I'm going crazy, let me know down below, but that's everything. If I did miss something, then I will leave it down below of what it was. But I really don't think I did. I don't think I got all my products, but yeah, don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel before you miss out on any more of my other videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.